Okay guys, just want to do a quick intro for this video. The rundown on this property, we've actually done a lot of work for this customer in the last year or two actually. He's got about 20 acres of woods, pretty heavy with invasives. We got some honeysuckle, autumn olive, multiflora rose, and privet. In this particular part of the state, those last three are pretty dominant, really bad autumn olive in this area. So in this particular video, we actually came in, we're more so clearing for a view and some native warm season grasses and perennial wildflowers. So this little area he can see down from his house over the pond into this little hillside. So we came in, cleared out a bunch of two really big sycamores, some poplar, some dead cherry, and some dead walnut as well. So in the first part of this video, we actually came in, we cut everything with chainsaws up to about 8 to 10 foot sections, put the grapple on and staged everything into log piles for him so he can kind of come in, cut firewood out of those. All the crowns and branches that are about 5 to 6 inches and below, we pushed into 3 large brush piles and put the Forestry Mulcher on and had some fun. So I hope you guys enjoy.